Hammaga salom do'stlar, sizlar bilan o'sha Dalasa Muhammad Dumar. Bugungi videoda maza qilib Dalasa o'yinini o'ynaymiz. Arsenal'ga qarshi.
They've gone adventurous and chosen a 4-1-2-3 formation. This sacrifices numbers in midfield for a reinforced defense and attack. This is
Holland.
He's got the goal in his sight.
Sapaylanmaga
Fantastic
o'rtaga
stuff.
o'ynatmayapman chunki mana yosh kuchaymagan. Qaranglar. Tepadan mana 300. Tepadan 300. Rapasidan esa bitta dona 100. U ham bo'lsa shu. Mukam dunyo o'qigan. Ham bo'y pas valla.
Will they extend their lead further? Makes the pass.
Hernandez.
Great shot.
Bir dakika.
He did well to win the ball back. Haaland shoots. Great reflexes. He reacted to that long distance shot.
Valla bilaman. Hamma yo'g'ini ko'rib o'tirganlar kelmaydi, bilaman.
At the striker's feet.
Shuning uchun 30-soniyada videoda yoqaman. Mana bolalar videoda yoqdim. Sal o'tib ketib qoldim, mayli.
What a ball.
Pauzada bolalar bitta zarba berdim. Darvozabonni o'tishi ozgina qoldi. Kallasidan.
Sensational. What a goal.
Holland
That goal is second of the match.
ko'rmam.
Good passing on display. He slid for
Valla yana sizlarga bitta narsa aytib o'tib ketmoqchiman. Mo akkauntda bu meni hozirgi shaxsiy akkauntim. Buni o'zim yig'maganman.
plays pass.
Sotib olganman 150 mingga. Valla ishonasizlarmi, qimmatga olib qo'yganman. Shunaqa akkauntlar 30-50 mingdan. Sizlar ham olib qo'ymanglar qimmatga. Ismoilovdan olinglar. 30 ming, 40 ming bo'lgan ekan. Aksiyaga tushgan menimcha, yana bilmadim. Aldanib olsalar mendan emas.
First 45 minutes are up. And one of these teams is firmly in control. It's all I dream of is your eyes.
3 2 1
Goals to nil.
Rodrigo.
Mo Salah.
Hop. Holland.
Haaland drives forward. Is this a goal? I think he sliced that one. Not the shot he wanted at all. Oh, he was eager to score, but he's put it miles over the bar.
Okay.
A short pass from the keeper.
Giviyor. Curate.
Declan Rice. This is Haaland. Tries his luck from distance. So close to a goal there.
Valla 75. minutda videoda yoqaman.
It's a poor pass. Means a lot to the player.
Mana
Should give
bola.
him the confidence to grab more. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
75. Gol ko'rsatish.
All he can do now is grab a consolation.
Uzadan saydim.
Seems all over.
Joe Timber.
Now Saliba.
Saliba'dan oldimiz. Saliba. Holland.
Players using his pace.
Holland.
He has a crack from
Why?
distance. He couldn't keep that shot down and it's gone flying over. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a rout.
Haaland. Salah.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Nega zarba emas?
This is a player who's making
Vah, vallahi mana yana qaytdim.
good defending there. Mbappe. Poor effort goes wide.
Ijela magazinga chiqib ketib qolishdi. Voh, ayağım. Aslında kısıtçıya giremez. Dalasa gitme oldu. Rashford like yaptı. Vitinha, Rashford. Vallahi sizlarga savol. Denis Bergkamp yaxshimi yoki Vitinhami? O'ynadi. Shosni kiramasin. Bas. Men kim taniydi mana shu bas. 1.8 kartaga ega FIFAda. Yoppa. Adashmasam mana shu. Yomon qimmat ha. Bizga 4 kun 6 soat 1 minut mana shu o'yinchilar chiqmagan. Men Gustom Van Aken bilan Gustom umuman chiqmaydi. Bu ikkosidan tashqari Oyarzabal, Bruno Fernandes, McTominay keyin anaqa chiqmaydi. Joshka Gvardiol. Vallahi har xil ovozlar eshitilyapti. Bo'lsa ahmiyat bermaysizlar. O'zi baribir bor. Hammaga xayr bolalar. Sizlar bilan men o'sha Dallas Muhammad Umar bo'ldi.